Back over to Llarisa, a rainy forecast coming for our way.
Torrential rain, Janelle, but aside from the rain, we're also talking winds. Winds are going to be a problem, especially as we head towards the afternoon hours. Wind gusts upwards of 50 miles an hour. You couple that with the torrential rain, and we're talking about a messy and unsettled Thursday. So the second half of the day is looking soggy and just quite unsettled. So if you don't have to be outdoors, it's probably best to stay home. Take a look at Storm Scam 3. Right now, many of the locations across our viewing areas actually dry. We're dealing with cloud cover, very mild conditions right now. Temperatures are sitting in the 60s and upper 50s at the moment, but this rain is very slow moving. We're going to continue to see that draped over the region and then really take its time to head our way. Here's 4 p.m. today. We'll see some of those showers begin to move into the area as this main piece of energy will be swinging by between the hours of 4 and midnight today. Take a look at 9:45. This particular model showing that the rain will be quite heavy and intense throughout the evening and into the overnight. And then by Friday early morning, this thing is gone. At least the main piece of energy is gone, but still unsettled with showers around the region. So very, very wet here over the next 48 hours, Chandler. Everyone heed to advisories.